Day 3 at the Euroscience Open Forum at Dublin's Convention Centre saw COST host a session elaborating on the added value of collaborative networks.
COST is one of the oldest cooperation programs in Europe, and what COST does is support researchers, getting them together to explore their own ideas. It's very open in the way that we cover all the fields, and that allows them to think outside the box, looking for new solutions to the challenge that we have today. COST is very happy to be here in ESOF, because ESOF is just the right place where you can find everything that you need, which is research linking industries, research institutions, researchers with the problems that researchers have to face, and what for me is most important, media. Because if research is going to provide any solution for the future, really that solution has to be put forward to the policymakers to make the right decisions and to be properly informed, but also to the citizens. And there is where the media is so important, because they translate these messages from the research into the citizens.
COST, it doesn't fund research. It is all about the networking of researchers. So it is very important for Irish researchers to get to know what's happening on the European scene. Also for people in Europe to know what research has been carried out in Ireland. And COST is a great mechanism by way researchers can connect with Europe, and also to build partnerships so that they can collaborate on future projects. Ireland being an island on the periphery of Europe, it is very important for a small country to participate in Ireland, and we've had very good successes. Currently there are about 260 ongoing COST actions, and Irish researchers participate in 180 of these actions. In addition, we don't discriminate between Irish nationals or researchers based in Ireland, so it is open to all researchers that are based in Ireland to have this opportunity to network. We've had a great response, and I hope to improve on our performance in the future.
The session, entitled S&E equals the key to knowledge, showed how COST plays a unique role in linking and pooling research through collaborative networks across Europe and beyond. It highlighted COST's unique place in the European research and innovations landscape by showcasing a number of its achievements and explaining the opportunities for participation. COST is bringing together Europe's young and brilliant minds to favour innovation, knowledge sharing, and ultimately contribute to better informed policymaking. Commissioner for Research, Innovation and Science Maura Geoghegan-Quinn gave the keynote speech, and she believes science needs to be put centre stage at the heart of Europe.
And politicians should rely heavily on evidence-based advice from scientists to allow us to make informed decisions. Our task now is to persuade everyone else of the centrality of science. Let's put science back where it belongs, at the heart of Europe, and let's put Europe where it belongs, at the heart of world science.
The beauty of COST is that it's an intergovernmental setting, which is a very funny thing to a scientist don't care. What is this, an intergovernmental setting? Well, this nature of being intergovernmental means that your networks are going to be open from the beginning. You will never have a network already closed by 5, 6, or 7 or 20 teams. But any other group from any coast country, and we are 36, and as your network works, your budget increases. So you increase your possibility to expanding the output of your network, and you increase the possibility to have a good thing. So that, I think, is one of the beauties of COST, expanding, growing networks.
I think that this multi-dimensions, as it was mentioned, that is really an added value in the networks that you are allowed, or that the COST office allows you to create. I mean, let me put, let's take one step backwards. What is important for me as a scientist, and as many of you here in the room, we love to solve difficult problems. But for me, it's also very important that it is of use for the society. And nowadays, and I am in applied science, these problems that are there at the society level are very complex, and they have disciplines involved in it, and there are multi-dimensions that you need if you want to really address these problems. Now, COST offers this in their actions. I like to see this as multi-dimensional networks. You have active multi-dimensional networks. You have people from different scientific disciplines working together. You have also people from different ages, so that they can learn from each other. For the rest, it's of course, it covers Europe, but it also expands beyond Europe. And then what is also very, very important for me is you don't have to restrict yourself to scientists. You can involve also legislators. You can involve the industry. You can involve everybody that you want. We even have end-user organizations in our cost action on bicycle helmets. And that really creates a perfect atmosphere for really tackling these problems in a way that they will be of benefit for the society.